Welcome to Week 3, where we take a deep dive into Power Query, focusing on the magic buttons of data cleaning. We will cover removing and selecting columns, filtering and sorting rows, and transforming and merging data to unlock its full potential. We are addressing the 3 a.m. data cleanup nightmare. The problem is, analysts spend 80% of their time on manual data janitor work. The solution is implementing a permanent, automated data pipeline using Power Query to free up time for strategic analysis. Think of Power Query as the kitchen of Power BI. Raw data, or groceries, enters the Power Query kitchen for cleaning and transformation. The output is the meal, which consists of actionable insights and reports in Power BI. Our first magic button is Unpivot Columns, transforming data from a wide format to a long format. This is crucial for normalizing data, simplifying DAX calculations, and enhancing visualization flexibility in Power BI. Magic button 2 is Merge Queries, which is like using VLookup to combine tables on a common key. This consolidates data, eliminates complex VLookup formulas, and supports various join types for comprehensive analysis. Magic button 3 is Append Queries, used for stacking tables vertically. This combines 2 or more tables into a single one, simplifying reporting and streamlining data preparation by efficiently stacking rows. Magic button 4 is Conditional Columns, which categorizes data with logic. It uses conditional statements to dynamically segment data, improving data consistency and enabling quick identification of critical data points. Let's apply these steps to a real-world scenario, the messy regional report. We can standardize and clean inconsistent data formats using a sequence of Power Query buttons, resulting in a clean, automated, and efficient workflow. Be aware of common pitfalls. Avoid incorrect data types which cause calculation failures. Prevent hard-coding values by using variables or parameters. Finally, avoid over-merging data to maintain performance and query simplicity. The key takeaways for Power Query mastery are automation, shaping data, using a no-code visual interface, and maintaining full traceability of all transformation steps. To unlock your data's full potential, contact us via the provided information. Next week, we'll dive into data modeling simplified. We hope this video has been helpful. Finally, utilize the group by function to optimize for performance. This technique aggregates data, reducing the processed volume, generating concise summaries, and enabling deeper group-level analysis.